Welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. We're here to help you connect within from the comfort of your own home to help you overcome stress and anxiety through guided breath work, mindful meditation, and somatic movement practices like yoga and Pilates. You can also partner with one of our certified health and wellness coaches so that you can make positive, lasting, and sustainable changes in your health and well-being. For more details, check out breathewellcoaching.com.
Hi, welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. My name is Coach Erin. I'm an exercise physiologist, breathing, and wellness coach. My goal is to help you turn down the volume of your anxiety so that you can lead a life more resilient to stress. If you're experiencing panic attacks or air hunger, this controlled pause practice is going to introduce box breathing in a more gentle way. We want to start to be able to lengthen out your controlled pause without feeling so much air hunger and not having that urge to breathe. We want to build our tolerance to CO2 and decrease our sensitivity to it. So these small retentions, these small breath holds are meant to help you do that. And this is something you can incorporate throughout the day, not when you're driving or doing anything that might be dangerous. If you were practicing conscious breathing throughout the day in between transitions from work into your home life, or while you're in a bath, or before you start to work out or after you start to work out, maybe while you're cooking and waiting or stirring the pot. This would be a really good tool for you to start to increase your control pause and again, overcome some of the over breathing tendencies that I speak about a lot on this channel. So find that comfortable place to sit and lie down. We're going to breathe less. So what we don't want is to have a huge increase in the air hunger sensation and that feeling like you need to breathe. So we want to do this really gently. Everybody's going to be a little bit different, and that's okay. So what I want to do is I want to teach you the pattern, but then I'm going to give you some space and time to practice it on your own. We'll start with the pace and the pattern. We're always looking at pace and pattern. We want the pattern to be a 360-degree breath. So as you're lying here and you're getting comfortable, shut your mouth and start to breathe through the nose. When you breathe, try not to use the neck and shoulders and be breathing high in the chest. See if when you inhale, you can stretch your ribs out laterally to the side and you breathe in a more horizontal fashion, feeling the belly expand, the low back, the pelvic floor, the butt, everything below your rib cage, you're kind of opening up. That's our diaphragmatic breathing that allows the diaphragm to flatten down on the inhale. You don't have to take a big deep breath for this to happen either. It's gentle. Let's work on about a 3 to 4 second inhale, a gentle pause at the top of the breath, a 3 to 4 second exhale, and a gentle pause at the bottom of the breath. When you're ready, fully exhale out of the nose. Let's begin. Inhale, 360 degrees, pause. Exhale, feel a release in the body and pause. Inhale, stretch, gently hold the breath. Exhale, gently hold at the bottom. Inhale, expand, hold very briefly at the top, and exhale, release, hold a little longer at the bottom. Continue breathing in, a slight pause, and breathing out, a longer pause if you can at the bottom. Now I want you to do 5 more breaths, just like that. Take your time, find the pace that works for you. Slight pause at the top, longer pause at the bottom. Wherever you're at, let's do one more together. Inhaling, expanding, pause at the top. Exhaling, releasing, pause at the bottom. Now release the control of your breath. Tell yourself something positive like, good job, that was awesome. Good for you. Instead of immediately going to self-criticism or judgment, let's say something kind, building that inner coach. This is the practice you can do anytime you start to feel that urge to breathe fast, or you notice you're breathing dysfunctionally. Maybe you're mouth breathing, or you're breathing really shallow. Maybe you're holding your breath a lot. Anytime your breathing's disrupted or disordered and you're over breathing, you can come to this slower breathing rate with the 360-degree pattern. Now I want to do it just one more time. We're only going to do a few more breaths, but I'm going to give you the option to inhale through the nose, hold the breath at the top, and then exhale out of the mouth. See if you like that more. To me, I find it very relaxing. So let's begin. Fully exhale your breath. Inhale through the nose, expand. Relax your neck and shoulders, pause. Exhale out of the mouth, maybe with a sigh. Release the air and pause at the bottom. Inhale, breathe in. Pause. Exhale, breathe out of the mouth. Pause at the bottom. Shut your mouth to pause at the bottom. Let's do 3 more at your pace. So find your rhythm, find your pace. Having the exhale out of the mouth. Beautiful. Let's all do one more together. Wherever you're at, inhale, pause, exhale with a sigh and a release, let the air out, and pause at the bottom. Relax during your retention. You're doing great. Release the control of the breath. Let it be natural. Again, say something kind to yourself. Tell yourself you're proud of what you're doing, taking this mindful moment to turn down the volume of your anxiety, to decrease stress in the physical, mental, and emotional life. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you. Come back again. Do this practice whenever you'd like. If you need more help with coaching, I offer a private one-on-one coaching, and all new clients get a free 30-minute call, at least right now, as I still have time and ability in my schedule to do that. So if you need a little more support with wellness, mindfulness, or breath work, go ahead and sign up for that free discovery call. Breathe well.